Nikhil, sadly, an event, a time that should have been cherished by the fans as one of the greatest moments of their lives, because I know a lot of people wanted to be in those boots of those fans, and now it has become political as well. It is a disappointment as well for them.
Oh, that's right, Anjali. We started off the day. In fact, for us here covering sport, the last few days have been all about preparing for this Lionel Messi GOAT tour. And what would one associate with a tour like this? Only happy memories, memorable time, maybe moments of magic on the football field. Those are the things that we were associating with this tour when we were looking at the entire itinerary. But now, what has really transpired and what really happened in Kolkata, the way things unfolded, I think really unfortunate. One of the most unfortunate incidents that we've seen on any sporting field, I'd say. Fans in Kolkata, we know they're very passionate, they love their football, but those images of them vandalizing the stadium, taking the seats out and throwing it on the football pitch, Lionel Messi having to be rushed out. I'll give you some more information on that, Anjali. I spoke to a few people that have been associated with the tour. In fact, they said that they actually felt threatened at one point. They were scared for their lives. A lot of them have actually left Kolkata in a jiffy because the fans were then looking for anyone and everyone who had anything to do with with the organizing this event in Kolkata, and the fans were after them. And I can understand. I can completely understand the grievance of the fans. They paid good money. I've come to know that a lot of fans came from all across Northeast. Now, if you know, Northeast is one of those hubs for football in India, and the closest you could get to see Lionel Messi for them would have been Kolkata. I know there are three other cities, but the closest was Kolkata. So a lot of them, made the journey, whether from Shillong, whether from Darjeeling, all turned up in Kolkata, paid good money. I heard from one of the fans whose monthly salary is 30,000. He paid 12,000 to be able to go to the stadium and get a glimpse of Lionel Messi. And what the fans are complaining that nothing was really organized, nothing was planned as to what will he do in the stadium. He came and just took a round of the stadium. That was about 5 to 7 minutes. That too, they complained that they could not see him on the giant screen. So even a close view of Lionel Messi wasn't, possible. But I think, Anjali, in all of this, things came to a head. Matters became worse when they actually saw a lot of celebrities, including politicians, film stars, industrialists, all of them get up close and personal with Lionel Messi, be able to get pictures clicked with him, be able to shake his hands, share a smile or two. When ordinary fans saw that they paid good money and they yet couldn't get even a glimpse of Lionel Messi, I think that's when tempers really fade. And then what has happened after that. I was fearing the worst, what would happen from there on to the remaining cities. But as of now, his trip in Hyderabad has been incident free. I know there are going to be a lot of celebrities there as well, including politicians. But let's see how that pans out. But at least there is a program that has been organized. There is a cultural program. So if fans really turn up to the stadium, they'll be able to see that. There's an exhibition football game that's going to happen. Revant Reddy, I believe, is going to be playing that game. He's been practicing for the last few days. So at least the fans that turn up, this is better organization. They'll get their money is worth when they've gone to see a Lionel Messi, which unfortunately wasn't the case in the Kolkata leg of this tour.
But Nikhil, from what we were hearing, there were some statements that there was a plan for Kolkata as well, that there will be a conversation between SRK, although I don't know how much is this true, that there will be a conversation between SRK and Messi, and there will also be some kickoff or something like that. So what happened? In your analysis, what does it look like? Was it a failure of the organizers to be able to say no to the VIPs? No, let us go ahead with the program, and you can have your meet and greet either earlier or later, as we are seeing in Hyderabad. CM is meeting the star before the match only.
Well, Anjali, it's very interesting. You asked me what is it that really went wrong and who is to be blamed. I think the entire blame here lies with the organizer. I think and you got to realize that the company that organized it also comes from Kolkata. In an effort to please everyone, I think that's where they messed up. I will tell you, I've spoken to a few people on condition of anonymity. They've said that they'll share a few things with me. So I'm not at the liberty of taking their names or how they were associated associated with this particular event. But I'll tell you this: while I was in touch with a lot of people closely associated with this event for the last 48 hours, about 24 hours, or dare I even say about 10 hours before Lionel Messi was to land in Kolkata, I spoke to a couple of people really closely associated with this event, and they actually forewarned me, saying that this could turn into a disaster. And I asked them why. Without getting into the detail, they said that they can already sense a lot of chaos because they don't see any particular program in place. They don't know how many people will be allowed, and that's exactly what happened once he stepped onto the football field. It was free for all. Anyone who had access, whether through organizers, whether through the police, whether through political connections, ended up inside the stadium. If you now look at those pictures, and I'm reminded of things that I was told in the lead up to this, event in Kolkata, that because certain things that need to be done, organizing this large scale event, those SOPs that you have to follow, have not been abided by the organizer. Because I think somewhere they didn't expect the kind of reaction or the kind of interest that will come across with this. That's one, and that's a major fault there. Secondly, not engaging any company of repute or who are known to be organizing large-scale events. I think that is where the Kolkata leg faltered.
Right.
So there are a combination of things, but I'd put the blame solely on the organizers in Kolkata. Why it's looking slightly better in Hyderabad? Because I think the state machinery has taken over. They've
Right.
ensured that everything is put in place, and that's why I think so far that event is on track.